Hi friends, we are back with a new official video, how to change your personal email ID to official ID. Before we start, we have to follow two major steps. First, we have to purchase a domain. If you don't have any domain, link is available in the description. Second, you have to close your two-step verification for your Gmail ID. Hi, my name is Deepak Nelwal and welcome to Learningopedia. Let's start with improvemx.com. ImproveMX is a free tool to set up email forwarding quickly, which let you forward all the emails coming to your business email to an inbox. Let's enter improvemx.com. Press enter. Now here we will enter our domain name, and here we will enter our personal email ID and click on create a free alias. Now it will send you a confirmation mail. Open your email ID, refresh the page. And here is the mail which you have to confirm. Click on this provided link. A new window will appear. Click on I accept the terms and click validate your account. Now your account is validated. Go to first window. Close this window. Now you can see we have to configure our DNS settings. For DNS settings, we will go to our domain provider. As I have in godaddy.com, so I am logging to godaddy.com. Click on sign in. Click again in sign in. Enter your login credentials. After logging to your GoDaddy account, scroll down and click on DNS in front of your domain name. Now here we have to add DNS records. Go to improveMX.com, scroll down. If you have any entry of MX, delete that. Just copy this value from here. Open your GoDaddy account, click on add, select MX. In the host, type @ in points value, just paste that value which we copied. In the priority section, we have to enter this number which is mentioned here. Now click save. Now we have to do one more MX entry. Click on add, select MX, go to ImproveMX, just copy this value and remember this number. Again we will go to GoDaddy. In the host, we will type @ in points to, we just paste that value, and in the priority we will enter 20. Just click save. Now we have to add another record. You can see here we have to add txt entry for SPF support. Just copy this value, go to GoDaddy account, click on add, select txt. In the host, type @ in txt value, just paste that value and click save. Now our all records are saved. Go to improvemax.com, click continue and set alias. If it will show you this error message of resend confirmation mail, just refresh your page because we already validate our account, so it will disappear. Just wait for 5 to 10 minutes and after that click check again. Now you can see here your email forwarding is active. Now here we will add the name from which we want to make our business email ID. After that click add. Now our record is saved. Now we will go to our Gmail account. Here you can see we have a confirmation message also. Now we will go here and click manage your Google account. Just type here less secure apps. Here you got the option, just click and allow. Again go to your Gmail account. This time we will go to our settings. Click here, click on all settings. Go to your account and import. Now we will add another email ID which we create for our business email. Here a new pop-up is open. In the email address you have to enter that email ID which we made for our business email. After entering this, click on next step. Now we have to set SMTP server. Type here smtp.gmail.com. In your username, enter your personal Gmail ID, and in the password, enter that password which you use to log in to your Gmail account. Now click on add account. Now it will send you a confirmation code. Go to your inbox. Here's the mail. We will open this mail and copy this code. Now we will paste it here and verify. Now our account is activated. Now we will again go to settings. Click on all settings. Click on account and imports and make your this email ID as default ID. Here you can see our business email ID is added. Now we will make it default. Now we will test it. This is working or not. Click on compose. Here you can see our business email ID is appear. You can see here your personal ID also. Just we will check to send a random email to our another Gmail ID. Enter subject and click send. Open the email where we send the mail, refresh, and here we receive the mail. Now you can see we are receiving the mail from our business email ID. Now if we click on reply, our reply will also go from our official email ID. Just reply a time and we will check it again. We will open our own ID, go to inbox, click refresh. Here you can see the email. When we open this email and click here, you can see we will receive the mail from our official email ID. That's it. If you want to create only one email ID, then you can close this tutorial. If you want to make another email IDs like support@yourdomain.com, help@yourdomain.com, just be with us. Now again go to improvemax.com and enter your required email. Change this with another Gmail account and click add. Now go to this email ID. Click here. Click manage your account. Search for less secure app. Click here and allow. Now we'll again go to settings. Click on all settings. Go to account and import. And we will add another email here. Again we will follow the same process. Here we enter our email which we made for our business purpose. Click next. Here we again set our SMTP server. Type smtp.gmail.com. In username, enter your personal email ID. In the password, enter the password which are you using to log in your Gmail account. Click on add account. Again, it will send you a verification code. Go to your inbox. Open this mail. Copy this code and paste here and click verify. Again, we will go to all settings, account and imports, and we will make this account as a default account. Here, your one more ID is added. Now we will test it. Now we will send a mail to our previously generated business email and we will check how it's work. Click send. Open your email ID. Click inbox. Refresh the page. Open this mail. Click here. You can see now we can send and receive the mails from our business email ID. This tutorial is over. Thank you for being with us. Stay tuned for more informative video like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.